Timmy, what is all that stuff? Hmm? Coco says, I don't like it. It makes my feet cold. You get it, Lily. It's your birthday, Lily. You're 10 today. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lily. Timmy, where are you? Careful, she's a birthday girl. Come on, let's go in the yard. No snow. Not enough humidity. Come on, guys. Come on. Uh-oh, Timmy's got the funny runnies now. Coco, look at you. Coco, come on. Come on, Coco. Go get him. Come on, Coco. Come on. Coco, come. Come on, quick, quick. Good boy. Come on. Good boy. Come on. Everybody go get him. Go get him.